Okay, now it's a few minutes later, and I have added another 2x4 brace underneath that 3/4 inch plywood subfloor to shore up the other piece of wood that I put underneath the OSB. So, in an ideal world, we cut that whole thing off flush and redo the door, but that's not what I was asked to do. And so that's pretty good. At least it won't give way anymore like it did. Okay. So a few spiders here and there. So I'll turn the lights off down here, and call it good for this session of the Senior Citizen Closet Floor. Okay, until next time.